So we start with baking powder. I love using Alsa. It's a French baking powder used in Vietnamese cooking. Add this to 2/3 a cup of warm water and add some flour. You'll immediately see it begin to activate. Then take a small whisk and stir until fully incorporated. You'll want to immediately add this to ground pork in a large food processor. To that, I've already added fish sauce, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powders, and sugar. You're going to want to pulse until fully ground. You may need to do this in 2 batches. The meat will become very soft in texture. You'll want to transfer this now to a large glass bowl. I like using a wooden spoon to help me. Cover with plastic wrap as best you can, and then add to the refrigerator for overnight. Now, if you can find them, get some banana leaves. They're easy to find online nowadays. Take half of the meat and form a loaf in the middle of one large leaf. You're going to want to then fold one side over, and then fold the other side over. Fold the ends in. Now you don't have to be real precise here, because we're going to do this a couple of times to ensure that the meat is fully covered. Fold it over. And now, grab yourself another banana leaf and do it one more time. Simply roll it, fold the ends under, and we're getting close to cooking time, folks. Now you're going to want to get some kitchen twine and tie up the loaf. Start with lengthwise and then about 3 more times going widthwise. Tie it nice and tight, but not too tight. Then for just one final good measure, get some plastic wrap and roll it until it's nicely secured and fully encased. Now we're going to steam the loaf. I like using a wok with my bamboo steamer, but use any method you use for steaming your food. You're going to want to steam the Cha Lua for 55 to 65 minutes. Carefully remove from the heat, and you've got a fully cooked Cha Lua. Take the plastic wrap off, and then, using kitchen shears, remove the twine. Again, be careful. You of course can let the Cha Lua completely cool by this point. I get excited though, just to see the finished product. Now this may not be the most beautiful looking piece of cooked meat you've ever seen, but trust me, once you slice into it and you take that first bite, you're going to be immediately sold. Cha Lua.